Okay, so just for a beginner, in F-sharp, I'll teach the main, just the song Jehovah It Is Your Name. So just going to play it simple and you see Jehovah is your name. Okay, so let me now show you. So Jehovah 1, Jehovah. This is F-sharp, B flat, C sharp, F sharp. 1, then 2, 3, 4, your name. Then 6, 7, like 5, 6, 7, 1. Then again, Jehovah 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is just playing like 2, 1, 2, 6, 5, 6, 5 or 7, 1. Then your mighty warrior, the second. You are mighty warrior. So for a beginner, you can play it like that. Simple, just like that. Just play the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 1. Then the mighty warrior. You are mighty warrior. Or just be. This is flat. This is like a flat 7. Same thing. So the chords are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 1. That is that. You are mighty warrior. That is plus 7 and 3. You can play 2, then 6, 5, 6.